Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Huawei device and OS level so Gopaint runs smoothly. Once done, install the latest Gopaint APK from a trusted package. Make sure Install Unknown Apps is enabled for your installer. When the app asks, grant storage, microphone, and overlay permissions. These let you save, record, and draw over other apps. If the installation prompts two permission dialogues, accept both. Restart Gopaint immediately after installation to let background services initialize and avoid first-run errors. You now configure the workspace to fit your project needs. First, pick canvas size and DPI. Use 300 DPI for print versus 72 for screen, and set the color profile. This ensures predictable colors later. Next, calibrate stylus pressure and enable palm rejection to prevent stray marks while you draw. Then arrange toolbars. Lock frequently used brushes, expose layer controls, and save a color swatch set for the session. These adjustments reduce interruptions and let you focus on composition and brushwork. You finish by exporting and safeguarding your work. Export to PNG for final images or PSD to preserve layers for later edits. Choose compression and resolution before saving. Enable autosave and cloud backup, and perform a manual backup to PC or cloud after major milestones. If you encounter crashes or freezes, clear the app cache, check for Gopaint and EMUI updates, and update GPU drivers using HiSuite. If problems persist, reinstall Gopaint. Restoring your backup afterwards avoids data loss and gets you back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.